Wigton, Dalston station. I was only 2 minutes late. Not too bad, as long as we make up the time, that's all that matters. Well, at least I got a picture of my breakfast. Yeah, so. Yeah, it's just really wet. It's me.
So what's the latest on the grain?
Yeah.
What's the latest on the Grange? Betting Grange?
Don't know.
Ah.
I bought this a jumper as a souvenir actually.
Right.
But it's at the moment is at Tidesley, still overhauling. Don't know when it's going to be back in though.
I'm waiting to see that.
Yeah.
Supposed to be later this year, but it's going to be next year. Don't know who's going to get out first. Betting Grange or the Duke.
Betting Grange or
the Duke.
the Duke? Oh, right.
She's a
That's nearly back, is she?
I'm a member of both.
Are you?
I'm a sad case.
Oh, great. Great. I haven't seen the Saint yet. I'd like to see that.
I've seen her several times at Didcot, but I then tried getting there myself.
Right.
I know I've got to struggle to get into the railway centre. And it is not the favourite centre.
So I'm just filming the windows bit. Because sometimes every time I sit, I don't get any proper window views. But I was supposed to only one table bit, but it turns out we have to sit where we're sitting. Annoying, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm afraid to say I'm involved with the harvest.
You're involved with?
The harvest.
The harvest?
Landline, P&O.
You're in a lot of them, eh? Wow.
Stoke and Bradley
Do
Manor.
you know?
Yep.
Ah, that's a timely. And Tuddington.
Yes. Used to be a volunteer there.
Did you?
Reading the Steam Railway magazine twice.
Right.
Both in the 90s.
Yeah.
And when they brought the
They've
book
done a
out
good job on that.
about her being rebuilt, several photographs of me in there.
Good, good.
People didn't believe me. I throw the magazine at them. Go on, here's the book. I think they might recognise me.
Good, good. Yeah.
I got involved with piano and Sir Nigel about 31 years ago.
That's a very good project to do that. That's no mean feat.
Now, well, my husband helped get the boiler off piano,
Right.
helped put it back on once.
We must have been very close to each other's company working on 2807.
Yeah, well, yes, of course, yeah. We probably have met each other
Yeah.
somewhere across the line. We used to whiz about on a motorbike.
Right.
Because people always used to think it was two men on the motorbike. I drive up and he drives back. So I get off the bike.
That's good, sharing.
It was back in the 90s.
Right.
And something about say something. I'd swing round. Oh, you're a woman. Well, I was when I left home this morning. This is my husband. How long have you been involved with 2807?
See if we got her out of Barry, 81 or something like that. First engine there at Torrington.
Yeah.
Like a King Riders Manners.
Just wish Toddington, they don't like Pino there, so they're trying to get rid of her.
Get rid of her?
Yeah, they don't want a southern region on Great
Oh, I haven't heard of that.
Yes, it is.
What's that?
Because it's southern,
Southern,
not Great
I know.
Western. Yeah, you don't want a southern region on the Great Western Line.
No, it's a great asset having that there.
Yes, well,
Yeah,
several galas turns into southern region one. And
They have all varieties coming on the car.
yeah, but several, a few years ago, we had Weybridge there. P&O was in light steam but not running.
No.
And I thought it was 92 Squadron that was there.
Right.
I thought there was another southern loco. And didn't they kick up a fuss? Never mind that it brought in a lot of money and it brought a lot of people to the railway. We don't want that here. They were very rude.
Surprised to hear that. I've not heard any comments like that, I
I've
must
been
admit.
around in about 30 odd years.
Most of the people I talk about are saying what a lovely it is. It's the best engine they got on the site there.
Well, it's the most powerful now.
Yeah. An express passenger.
Because unfortunately they've got one or two people who do not know how to operate the brakes on a southern loco.
Right.
They keep saying there's something wrong with them.
Uh-huh.
How come they're driving? No, this is serious. How come they're driving the loco? They don't know how to operate the brakes. And it's like a car, you normally learn that pretty quick.
It's the most important thing to be able to stop it.
Especially when she's only 94 tonne.
Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. It is a Great Western Line,
Yeah.
but they've got the diesels there and all that as well, so, you know.
This has been
No, it's
going
a,
on